Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix your slow charging issue on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on device care. Now in device care, click on battery and then in battery scroll down and here click on charging settings. Now here you will see a fast charging button. So to fix your slow charge issue, turn on this fast charging button. So after turning on this button, your phone will start charging fastly. So that's how you can fix the slow charge issue in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.